welcome back. I just want to say thanks so much for watching and come along with me today as I do a few chores around the house, and I think I'm gonna make some ice cream for my dog and do a little menu planning. So let's just see what we get into. Okay, here's the drawer before. There's just some crumbs and stuff that need to be cleaned up, and I need to organize back here. So I'm gonna pull everything out. Okay, here we have the drawer after. I vacuumed it out just so it would be easier than getting all the little crumbs, and then I just moved a couple different things around so they were easier to access. This drawer just seems to get messy really quickly because we use it every day. Okay, I'm gonna make some ice cream for my dog now, which people can eat this as well. It's just not gonna be very sweet. You need banana, peanut butter, just make sure it's natural and not sweetened with anything. You can use organic too, but this just has peanuts and salt in it. And then some plain yogurt, just with no sugar added. So depending on how many dogs you have or how much you want to make, I'm just gonna make a small batch because this is all I have of these cups. I'm just gonna use this much and then start with this much banana. I'm gonna mash it up. You can also do this in the blender and then just add the other stuff till I think it looks right. So I'll show you what it looks like once I get it mixed up. Okay, here's what the ice cream looks like before I put it in the cups. And as always, please consult your vet and try this at your own risk. Make sure your animal can have these items, and if they have a sensitive stomach, I don't recommend you try it, but my dog really loves them when I make these, so. Okay, I'm gonna work on my meal plan now. I've cleaned out some odds and ends from around my kitchen and just brought them all here. Some stuff from the fridge, and then just some, like, I've got this loaf of bread that needs to be used, and these hot dog and hamburger buns. just some odds and end bagels. So I'm gonna use these to make my meal plan, and then I've got a few things in the freezer, and I know I have a pack of hamburger that needs to be used as well. So I'm gonna take a few minutes and write down what meals I'm gonna have this week. Okay, here's my menu plan for the week. Tonight we're gonna have buffalo chicken dip, or we can have it in tortillas. And then I'm gonna make some roasted potatoes and mushrooms, and then have some green beans we can use as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to make stuffed poblanos, with a rice filling, kind of like stuffed bell peppers. Then I'm gonna use up this loaf of bread I have to make French toast and bacon for a breakfast for dinner. Thursday we'll have shrimp skewers with roasted veggies to use up, probably the carrots and any other odds and ends I have from the garden. And then Friday I'm gonna make a roast, or I might try a new recipe for some type of minestrone soup or something like that in the crock pot. For breakfast, you can have bagel with eggs, or there's cereal or oatmeal. Snacks, I've got some pineapple, grapes, and peaches, and then whatever else is around. And then lunch, I'll just have leftovers, bagel egg sandwiches if there's any bagels left. So thanks so much for watching. Leave in the comments below what you're having good this week and if you've done your meal plan.